Welcome! If you're looking to declutter your Messenger chats and want to know how to unpin messages, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to unpin messages on Messenger so you can keep your conversations organized and stress-free. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats. Once you're in, find the conversation where you've pinned messages that you'd like to unpin. Tap on the person's name or their profile picture at the very top of the chat. This will open up the chat settings, where you can see more options related to that conversation. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Pinned Messages. Here, you'll find all the messages you've pinned in this particular chat. These are usually important messages you wanted to keep handy, but if you no longer need them pinned, it's time to remove them. To unpin a message, simply long press on the message you want to unpin. Hold your finger down for a second or two until a menu pops up with different options. From the menu, tap on Unpin. That's it. The message will instantly be removed from your pinned messages list, but don't worry, it won't be deleted from the chat, just unpinned. You can repeat these steps for any other messages you want to unpin in the same conversation. This feature is perfect for keeping your chats tidy and making sure only the most important information stays at the top. And there you have it, unpinning messages on Messenger is that simple. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.